Now, before we start editing things by hand, let me show you a tool that'll make everything easier. Remember earlier I clicked into the document overview? Well, think of it like a table of contents for your page. Instead of scrolling up and down through your actual page to find things, the document overview shows you a neat, organized list of every section and element, stacked in order from top to bottom. You'll see things like your header, each content section, images, text blocks, and buttons all listed out in a sidebar. It's useful for finding things quickly. If your page is long, instead of scrolling forever to try to find that one section you want to edit, you can just click on it in the list, and it'll jump you right there. It's also useful for understanding your page structure. Blocks are nested inside of each other, like a section might contain a heading, a paragraph, and a button. The document overview shows you that nesting visually with indentation so you can see how your page is actually organized, almost like folders inside of other folders. It's also useful for moving things around. You can drag and drop items in the list to reorder sections on your page, which is often easier than trying to drag big sections around on the page itself. You can also click the Outline tab to get an SEO-focused overview of your site. Here you'll be able to see all the different headers and their levels throughout your page.